In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn long-form content into short social posts with Buffer's AI assistant. First, open Buffer. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard, which is where you create and manage posts for your connected channels. This is your home base for turning one big piece of content into punchy, platform-ready updates. Next, click the plus New Post button. Buffer will prompt you to select your social media channel. Pick the channel where you want the short post to appear: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or whichever you're focusing on. Choosing the right destination now helps the AI tailor the copy to the style and length that works best on that platform. In the post editor, paste your long-form content directly into the caption area. This can be a blog article, detailed notes, educational content, or even a long Facebook post you want to condense. Don't worry if it's lengthy. The AI assistant is built to extract the key ideas. If your source has sections or headers, include what's essential for context, like the title, the main takeaway, and any must-include phrases. Now, look to the top right inside the post editor and click AI Assistant. A prompt field will open. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want. You can say things like, turn this into a short Instagram caption, rewrite this as a TikTok caption, or summarize this into a short Facebook post. The more specific you are, the better. If you have a preferred tone, length, or call to action, include that in your prompt. For example, you might mention, keep it under 150 characters. Make it friendly and concise, or add a clear CTA. Click Generate and let the AI draft your short post. In a moment, you'll see a suggested caption based on the content you provided and the instructions in your prompt. Review the AI-generated short post carefully. Check that it captures the main idea correctly, sounds like your brand, and fits the channel you selected. Make sure facts are accurate and that any claims or numbers match your source. If something feels off, that's normal. This is your chance to refine. Edit the content if needed. Tighten the hook, clarify a benefit, or adjust tone and length. You can simplify phrasing, add or remove emojis, and include a concise, relevant hashtag if it supports readability. When you're happy, click Schedule Post to set a publish time, or save as draft if you want to revisit it later. And that's the entire workflow: fast, clear, and repeatable every time you have long content to repurpose.